Hey, hello everyone. This is Victor Momo from Excel Moments. I know most of us know how to sort data vertically from top to bottom, bottom to top. But how about sorting horizontally from left to right? Well, you may already know it, but never hurts to see it done again. So here's the scenario I have. So I have, some departments and what locations. I don't know why the locations are in the order they are in, but now my boss says, no, I want to see these locations arranged alphabetically. Okay, so you probably need to start from something like Abuja to Berlin, Copenhagen, and so on. Okay, so what am I going to do? Somebody else will probably start inserting, deleting columns, bringing things, moving things around. But you can use a sort, from left to right. Okay, how do you do that? Still using what? The custom sort interface. So what I'm going to do here is rather than select the entire data, because if I do that, department and personnel will get sorted too. I'll select from London. So I can do Control Shift End or Control Shift Right, Control Shift Down. Anyone is fine. Just select to the bottom right. So now I'm going to launch my custom sort. Where do I find that? Couple of places. I could do what? Data, and you would see sort here. Okay, so that's one way. You could have gone also to the home tab, and then you see sort and filter, and you could see custom sort. You could also have what? Right clicked, right, and then you would also see sort, and you also see what? Custom sort. You could also use the shortcut Alt Alpha Sierra Sierra, so Alt ASS. Okay, so now it's done that. This checkbox is important. My data has headers. Yes, it does have headers. So now how do I get to set this to do left to right rather than top to bottom? So I go to options. That's very important. Options. And then here, instead of saying sort top to bottom, I say sort left to right. So I do OK. So once it says, oh, yes, now it's left to right, how am I then sorting? So if you look at your sort by, you can see that it's putting them by what? By rows now. So what row actually has, the data you want to sort by? If you look at my data here, it is row 3, right? So I do row 3. So it's row 3 and sort on the cell values, and it's going to sort from what? A to Z. Okay, and we do okay. All right, and you see it's moved things around. So we have Abuja, Berlin, Bucharest, and just to be sure, Abuja has 13. So I can do a control Z to confirm to you that when Abuja was here, it also had 13, right? So it's not like it sorted the headers and forgot the data. Okay, so that's how you do a left to right sort. So if we even had like 50 or 100 cities, you could actually do it with just a few clicks. Okay, just to show another example and to show you that, well, the sort window, knows what data it's looking at. So now here we have some dates. Okay, now the dates are definitely not in order as we all can see. We want to do the same thing. We want to sort, say, in maybe ascending order or in descending order. Now it could be from, oldest to newest, okay, or newest to oldest, depending on what we want. And we want to do that from left to right. So it's the same thing. So select Control Shift End. Okay, we can do Alt Alpha Sierra Sierra, right? You go to what? Options, and you say sort from what? Left to right. Okay, now you're also sorting by row 3. Similar data to the first. Now you notice that once it's a date, because it recognizes that what you have there are dates, this is not showing A to Z, this is rather showing what? Oldest to newest. Okay, so if we want, January to come first, yeah, that's the oldest. So we can say oldest to newest. That order works for us, and we can do okay, and it's going to move things around. And you have January, February, and so on. So this can be very interesting, rather than having to insert, cut, paste till you get it right. Even if you had like 50, 100 months worth of data with a simple sort from left to right, you can resolve that. So that's all I thought to show in this video, how sorting from left to right can save your life. Okay, and if you like the video, hit the like button. You could also subscribe to the channel Excel Moments. But for now, I'm out.